I'm Miguel Miranda, Widinovations Manager. We are here in FESPA 2019 to show two new models, the Widlaser C900 and C500. We believe that the C-Series will project Widinovations company into the international market.
Hello, my name is Rui Ataíde. I'm the product manager from Widinovations. The new Widlaser C models were built over the feedback of our customers and market needs. We developed a compact, fast, reliable solution with advanced technology. Our Clean Protect design assures that the mechanical and electronic components are protected from dust and smoke, ensuring that our solutions are always operational.